This JUSRAMINC replacement lid is like a window to your cooking. It fits 10.25-inch frying pans, skillets, and pots. You can watch your food cook without losing heat. This lid works with stainless steel, cast iron, and aluminum pans. It is a simple yet useful tool for any countertop. The JUSRAMINC replacement lid is made of tempered glass. This makes it strong and safe to use. It can handle the heat, and it is easy to clean with wipes. The 26 cm size fits perfectly. Now you can steam vegetables or simmer sauces easily. This lid helps trap moisture and flavor inside your pan. It's a bonus for your cooking. For anyone who cooks, the JUSRAMINC replacement lid is great. It helps you see your fish or other dishes as they cook. No need to lift the lid and lose heat. This lid is a good replacement for a lost or broken top. It's practical for your kitchen, whether in the country or Australia. We give it good recommendations for easy cooking. Pros: tempered glass, replacement top, fits 10.25 inches, for cookware, for skillets, for steel pans, for pots, for cast iron, for aluminum pans 26 cm size, see-through, durable, easy to clean, oven safe, locks in steam, locks in flavor. Cons: can break if dropped, knob can get hot, water can get trapped, may not fit all pans, steam can obscure view, handle might loosen, harder to clean edges, less durable than metal, could be too heavy, size might be off. Features: glass lid 10.25-inch size, frying pan use, tempered glass, replacement top, cookware use. Skillets use, stainless steel pans, pots, cast iron use, cast aluminum pans. This JUSRAMINC glass lid is made to fit on top of a 10.25-inch frying pan or other similar sized pots and pans. It's made of strong tempered glass, so it can handle heat. You can use this lid as a replacement for a lost or broken lid on your cookware, like skillets, stainless steel pots, cast iron pans, and cast aluminum pans that are about 10.25 inches or 26 centimeters wide. This JUSRAMINC glass lid is a see-through, durable, and easy to clean replacement top for 10.25-inch cookware like frying pans, skillets, steel pans, pots, and cast iron or aluminum pans, which is about 26 centimeters. It helps lock in steam and flavor and is oven safe. However, it can break if dropped. The knob can get hot. Water can get trapped. It might not fit all pans. Steam can block your view. The handle could loosen. The edges are a bit harder to clean. It's not as strong as metal, and it could be a little heavy or the size might be slightly off.